Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be upgrading my printer with an enclosure, Octoprint on Raspberry Pi, so that the printer can work remotely. Let's get started.
The parts I'll be using for this project are some acrylic sheets. These ones are 11 inches by 14 inches. Some super glue, some tape, along with a few 3D printed parts like the doorknobs and some hinges. We're gonna start by cutting these acrylic sheets to size by first marking them and then using a cutter or an X-Acto knife to cut it. Okay. Good. So we have 4 sides of the enclosure done. So it's gonna go on like this, of course. And so let's quickly just go and check on the 3D printer if it fits before we move on. So it's just gonna go in and over. Okay. So, as you can see, it fits. You may not be able to see it, but here and here. Of course, I think I need to move it a little more, but otherwise it looks like it fits. And the roof is bending, which means more tape. Okay, let's go back, finish it. We may put some LED light around which will be powered by this Raspberry Pi, which will also come up here, but outside the enclosure so it doesn't get heated up. And of course we have a camera here now. So let's go.